Then I say, how do you feel if you wake up one morning and saw a big M16 nozzle at you, but you feel like you won't disappear, but you, because of police, you not trust me, sir. So me know say them me shot your face try. And what would you say if you're coming from dance on your head? You hear a voice say, boy, no move else you're dead. And when you take a look, we see a open bar. Just a boy where you want him a word of friend. Certain boy a pick up play, and them have to see all them life and all go down pan them need a friend. Certain guys a pick up play, how them come fit to feed them and to them now have no mercy.
Cause I'm a murderer.
No one on there. Why every man wants to live till them old? Every man wants to live the place to control. Every ghetto youth wants to play gangster role.